kissed a girl in 3 years.
Huh?
Oh, you just arrived. What? But we passed that
It's not
already.
even. It's not even funny.
It's not even funny.
It's
It's
not
not
funny.
funny.
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It happens.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
So like,
No
if you had to
way.
like get a chance to experience that, would you?
Are you okay? Like, is everything okay?
Okay.
So.
Would you?
It's
explore
really
that?
not a bad thing, guys.
Since you said you smashed me, I'm tryna ask, cause.
Oh.
The thing is that I'm trying to like know you first. I don't want to just do it. I'm trying to,
So you think my
Okay.
so are you scared of the fact that you think my mouth is gonna make you sick?
What?
I just
Is it in that extent to know if my mouth is not like bad or some shit, like, cause if you want to get to know me, you need to know how I'm kissing you, like,
No.
to some degree. Like, when you get to a point where you're building, you need to kiss me. Okay, how long have your relationships lasted for?
the longest one was like 2 months.
What?
Yeah. So that's not a class.
No.
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 I have a question for Venus.
Yeah.
If, hypothetically, of course,
Hypothetically.
if I was to go like, yo, I wanna learn how to kiss.
That's not what you wanted to say, but okay.
No, that's it, bro. That's it. Like, what would you like? Would you offer help?
I mean, I got taught how to give good head, so
How?
it wouldn't be a problem to teach a guy how to kiss, because I've experienced being taught to do something as well.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see.
I'm sorry.
Okay, moving on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, I have a question for Aya.
Okay, now I wanna take a shot. Ask me something, man.
Oh, I have another question. Take a shot.
No, go
I have a
ahead.
question. No, give it to me, please. Okay, yeah.
Remember after the shoot we had
Yeah.
for the cancelled thingy
Yeah.
podcast? Remember when we were driving home, ne? There's a certain person who was driving home with us. When he walked you upstairs, did you guys kiss?
No, we didn't.
Why don't you
Are you
tell
sure?
us who that person
No, we
is?
didn't kiss, Shem.
Okay.
We didn't kiss.
Who's
Have
that
you guys
person?
ever kissed?
No.
Okay.
He tried.
Just take a
Okay.
shot. Just
Couple of
lie and
times,
take
but-
a
A
shot.
lot of times. Who is that? Shit.
Name drop.
Name drop.
Name drop.
No.
Name drop. No,
Name drop.
no, we can't.
Oh, guys, that's my friend.
Like, we are Jordan,
That's
no.
and that's my friend.
Yeah.
Who yeah, Jolene? He tried to kiss you.
You know how guys are.
It'd be like that, yeah.
Yeah.
But what's the cancel podcast? I'm confused.
There's only one that's cancelled right now.
Damn, who could it be though?
Okay, it's not cancelled yet. It's getting
Yeah. Hope
But it's not gonna get cancelled. Trust me. It's never gonna.
they will
get.
fight.
It will never open chats over everything.
cancelled.
Why you name dropping?
Period.
W. No, because I'm
Yeah.
a true operator.
Yeah, period.
So even if you come for me, it's fine.
Yes. Yeah.
Who that?
Don't answer. Why you answer unknown numbers?
Who's this? Thank you.
Sure.
Who's that?
Sure.
Shit.
Hi.
Kobe.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Wait.
Oh my god.
Wait. I have a question for her now.
No, I have it actually.
Okay.
Drink it.
Who was the guy that you went upstairs and tried to kiss you?
Ha, my brother.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, that's my friend.
Who's
I
the
know.
person?
Hey, he's gonna
to be
block me.
Yeah,
That's my
fast.
friend. No.
Hey, Nami, I'm wrong.
What
Yo.
chat is it? Who's
Then
that?
I
She's
love
gonna
you
be
so
mad at
much.
me.
I love you so much. I was gonna talk.
Yeah, who was yo?
W was in the chat. W was in the chat.